Hello, schoolAbility software users. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to add notes to your purchase order line items. Sometimes we have information we want printed on a purchase order, and there's not enough room in the description field. To get started, we're going to type VR into our quick start for vendor requisitions. I'm going to use a preset favorite PO notes tutorial to automatically enter the requisition number I'm looking for and hit go. Here's our requisition. We'll go ahead and open it and go to the Items tab. Opening the first item, we want to add a message after that includes the parts number. The vendor has asked us to include this information. We enter it, go to the next item where the parts number has already been entered. We'll go to the next item, and here we're going to do things a little differently. We have 0 order quantity with a description of additional notes because there's more information we want to include on the purchase order. I'm going to do the lookup to see if there's an already existing message that I can use. I select the YE receiving and decide I want to add additional information to that. Now in this case, I've pre-typed some data and I'm going to just copy it in. Now you can see that we're adding up to 1,200 characters in this message, so we should have plenty of room to add the additional information we need. So we're done with that. We're going to save close, and I'll use the task Approval Override to approve this requisition. And Approval Override is a user-based permission that may not be available to all users watching this tutorial. We're ready to print our purchase order. We're going to type POP for Print Original POs, hit Enter, use my favorite to enter my requisition number, hit Go, and now we'll open our form. So here's our purchase order. Let's zoom in a little bit and take a closer look. We can see that we have a parts number for item 1. We have the parts number for order 2, and for order 3, we have all of the information that we entered in. If we'd used the message before fields, those would have printed above the item rather than below. We also could have used the message before and the message after fields. Thank you again for joining us for this tutorial. We hope it was helpful.